Welcome to AssistEdge RPA How-To video series. In this video, we will learn how to add decisions to processes using the decision node activity. The decision node activity allows users to configure a business rule or validation by adding decisions to an automation process. It is a conditional activity where a user defines the condition, and based on the condition evaluation, further actions are executed in the process. Let's look at using the decision node activity to define a business rule in an automation process. In this example, let's add a decision to an automation process that evaluates the condition of a company's stock price value. The automation should send an email with the subject stock price more than 1000 if the stock value is greater than 1000. Otherwise, it should send an email with the subject stock price less than 1000. To evaluate the condition of the stock price, create an argument named stock price in the process with argument type as int32. The stock price gets populated from an upstream application. In this example, assume that stock price is populated with the value 567. In the Canvas Tools pane, click Flow Controls to expand the Tools section. Drag the decision node activity and drop it at the appropriate location in the process to set up the validation logic. Select the decision node activity and open the Properties and Suggestions window. In the Condition property, define a Boolean condition. This condition decides the path which the process can follow. For this example, specify condition as stock price greater than 1000. The decision node activity displays two flows, true and false. Update the label of the true flow by defining the true label flow as if stock price is greater than 1000. In the Canvas Tools pane, click Email to expand the Tools section. Drag the Outlook mail activity and connect it to the true flow of the decision node activity. Select Email module as Send Email and other properties like subject line, to, and sender email ID by defining their arguments. Similarly, drag another Outlook mail activity and connect it with the false flow of the decision node activity. For this activity as well, select Email module as Send Email and other properties like subject line, to, and sender email ID by defining their arguments. Save and test run the process. Verify that the condition is evaluated and the process has sent an email as per the evaluated condition. That's all from this how-to video. Catch up with the other learning videos to know more about AssistEdge RPA. Thank you.